Self-confidence is not something you're born with, it's something you build. If you've ever struggled with self-doubt or felt like you're not good enough, this video is for you. Today, I'll share practical steps to build self-confidence from scratch. Let's get started. Step 1. Start small. Confidence doesn't come overnight. Start with small, achievable goals. Whether it's speaking up in a meeting or trying something new, small wins will boost your confidence over time. Step 2. Focus on your strengths. Everyone has strengths, including you. Make a list of things you're good at and remind yourself of them regularly. This will help you shift your focus from what you lack to what you excel at. Step 3. Practice self-care. Taking care of yourself physically and mentally is crucial. Exercise, eat well, and get enough sleep. When you feel good about yourself, your confidence naturally increases. Step 4. Step out of your comfort zone. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. Challenge yourself to do things that scare you. The more you face your fears, the more confident you'll become. Step 5. Surround yourself with positive people. The people you spend time with influence your confidence. Surround yourself with supportive, positive individuals who uplift and encourage you. Step 6. Learn from failure. Failure is a part of growth. Instead of fearing it, see it as a learning opportunity. Every setback is a chance to improve and build resilience. Step 7. Practice positive self-talk. The way you talk to yourself matters. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Instead of saying "I can't," say "I'll try." Building self-confidence is a journey, not a destination. Start small, focus on your strengths, and step out of your comfort zone. Remember, confidence comes from action, so take the first step today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on personal growth. Let me know in the comments, what's one thing you'll do today to build your confidence?